welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how fun and easy it is to make all those creations. For the first two projects, I needed two wooden canvas that I have purchased from Walmart for a couple of dollars. And I have printed two beautiful arts. The first art is just of a couple of old times playing a chess game. And then the second one is a piece of art of Dalgis Edelson, who created this beautiful artwork, and he was inspired by the world stage and players, and he wanted the viewer to feel and think how and what makes this world function the way it does. So on that art as well, there is a chess play. So first thing first, I draw the lines, squares, and I draw some little flowers with the pencils. And now I'm going over those lines with a wood burning pen. I'm gonna put the link in my description box. I purchased it in Walmart. I had so much fun with this burning pen, drawing all those lines on the wood. Now for the second canvas, I grab a stencil so I can draw those flowers. And I will do the same step with a wood burning pen over it. When it's all done, we're sanding the canvas very well. And we are using wax with a baby wipe. Not too strong, just a little bit all over at the corners. And now, with the help of Mod Podge, we're gonna add those art in the middle of the canvas. I love to make decoupage, and I have more ideas, so hopefully you'll stay tuned for my next videos. For the next project, I need two chess wooden boards that I got from Dollar Tree. And what I'm gonna do is I'm sanding the corners where the letters are. And now I'm gonna just put wax so we can have all that beautiful rustic look. Next, I have printed out queen and king chess signs. Because a good relationship is like a game of chess, the queen should always protect her king, right? And with a Mod Podge, I'm adding them in a corner and I'm putting Mod Podge all over the chessboard as well. Next step is adding those wooden chess pieces on the chessboard. We're not gonna add them all, just a few, just so we can complete our art look. And at the end, adding ropes from Dollar Tree so we can hang our arts on the wall. And here is the final look for all the 4 arts that we did today. And this is my final project for today. It's a beautiful well filled with greenery, and I'll show you how easy and fun it is to create. For this project, we need 6 of this wooden galvanized frame from Dollar Tree. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to make one box with those 4 wooden frames. I'm adding E6000 and a hot glue. Next, I need tumbling towers, and I'm just gluing them together. I need 4 sets of 6 each for the 4 corners. Next, I'm gluing inside of the frame with those wooden sticks from Dollar Tree. And now I'm just sanding it to see if they can fit back in the frames. Next, I'm adding these wooden dots that they came from the chess games, and I'm adding them on top of those wooden sticks that I glued. Now we are trying to make a roof for our well. I'm just trying to glue 2 corners of those frames. I'm just adding a little wood stick so I can connect it. Just like that. And then on top I'll do the same. I'll do the wooden stick and another stick on the bottom. And now it's the fun part. We're trying to glue everything together so we can build that well. After everything is complete, we're gonna paint it. I'm painting it with a white acrylic paint first. Just going all over with it. Just like that. Next, with a dry brush and truffle color, we're trying to create a rustic look. What I'm making now is I'm creating some designs on the roof shingles with a wood pen.